Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel Naina Nori TV.
Hey friends, I've got a quick story that proves how teaming up makes us super strong. So, I was at the park with a bunch of sticks on the ground. I picked up one skinny stick and snap! It broke so easy. Then I grabbed a whole bundle, hugged them tight, and tried to snap them. No way. Together those sticks were tough. That got me thinking. I saw ant number 1 trying to move a giant crumb. He tugged and tugged. Nope. Along came ant 2. Still stuck. Ant 3 joined. Ant 4 joined. March, march, march. Crumb cruise. They carried it like a parade float. Next, a little squirrel wanted a jumbo acorn. Too heavy. Bird swooped down. Bunny hopped in. Turtle pushed from behind. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh! The acorn rolled right into the cozy nest. I thought, if ants and animals can team up, can I? At the sandbox, my castle kept falling. So I asked 2 kids nearby, want to build the biggest castle ever? One scooped, one shaped, I decorated, we shared tools, we took turns, we cheered each other on, tower by tower, wall by wall. Boom! Mega Sandcastle City. Here's the secret sauce. Ask for help. Share what you have. Listen and take turns. Celebrate every little win. Remember the sticks? Alone, they snap. Together, they stand strong. Families, friends, classmates. When we lift together, we rise together. So today, pick one thing to team up on. Tying shoes, cleaning a room, finishing homework, inventing a silly dance. Invite a buddy and say, let's do it. Together. Because unity isn't just strong, it's unstoppable, and it's way more fun. High five.